Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of the key obstacles in sustaining performance of lead-to-customer rate in a contact center. Let's now address a critical challenge in driving conversions: lead quality variability. The first factor is inconsistent sources. Not all lead channels perform equally well. Inbound leads may show higher intent, while outbound or purchased lists often require more effort. Recognizing this variability helps us tailor our approach and set the right expectations. Next, we have data integrity issues. Duplicate records, invalid contact details, or outdated information can drain time and reduce overall conversion rates. Clean, reliable data isn't just an operational need, it's a conversion advantage. Then there's market saturation. When the same leads are overexposed to multiple competitors, their willingness to engage naturally declines. Timing, positioning, and personalization become even more important in such scenarios. And finally, unqualified leads. When leads aren't aligned with the ideal buyer persona, agents end up spending valuable time on conversations that simply won't convert. In short, lead quality directly impacts conversion outcomes. Addressing these variability factors isn't just about better targeting, it's about giving our sales teams the strongest possible foundation to succeed. Let's now turn our attention to a crucial factor that directly shapes conversion outcomes: agent and workforce challenges. First, we have high attrition. When turnover is high, we often rely on new or inexperienced agents. While they may be enthusiastic, they may lack the persuasion skills and deep product knowledge needed to confidently close deals. This directly impacts conversion rates. Next, skill gaps. Not every agent has the same level of objection handling or sales acumen. These variations create inconsistent performance across the floor, where some agents excel while others struggle to convert similar leads. Then comes motivation and burnout. Sales roles involve handling constant rejection, and over time, that can lead to fatigue, frustration, and a drop in morale. A demotivated workforce often translates into missed opportunities. And finally, KPI conflicts. When the pressure to maximize call volume, like AHT targets or daily dials, takes priority, it can compromise the quality of customer engagement and reduce conversion effectiveness. Addressing these workforce challenges isn't just about training, it's about building a motivated, skilled, and strategically focused sales team capable of turning leads into loyal customers. Let's now talk about process and governance barriers, which often stand in the way of strong conversion performance. First, we look at poor lead handoffs. When marketing and sales teams are misaligned, it creates confusion over lead ownership. This lack of clarity delays action, reduces accountability, and ultimately weakens conversion outcomes. Next, lack of follow-up discipline. Even the best leads can go cold when they're not contacted promptly or consistently. Timeliness and structured follow-up cadences are critical to keeping prospects warm and engaged. Then comes weak QA oversight. Without proper call monitoring and quality assurance, poor sales practices can persist unnoticed, eroding both customer trust and conversion potential over time. And finally, pipeline leakage. When tracking is unclear or nurturing steps are missed, valuable leads simply fall through the cracks, resulting in lost revenue opportunities. Addressing these governance gaps isn't just a process fix, it's about building a disciplined, accountable, and data-driven sales ecosystem that maximizes every lead's potential. Let's now explore technology and system limitations, which can quietly but significantly impact lead conversion performance. First, there's the challenge of a fragmented CRM. When agents don't have a single, unified view of a lead's history and past interactions, it limits their ability to personalize conversations and build meaningful connections. Personalization isn't a luxury anymore, it's a conversion driver. Next, weak AI or scoring models. When lead prioritization isn't accurate or intelligent, agents often end up spending precious time on low potential leads. This reduces efficiency, lowers morale, and weakens overall conversion rates. Then, we have automation gaps. When automated nudges like SMS or email follow-ups are missing, valuable leads often go untouched. Timely, automated engagement keeps prospects warm and increases the likelihood of conversion. And finally, integration issues. When key tools like dialers, CRM platforms, and marketing systems don't talk to each other, it creates friction, delays, and inefficiencies that hurt both agent productivity and customer experience. Overcoming these technology limitations isn't just about upgrading tools, it's about building a connected, intelligent ecosystem that empowers agents to work smarter, faster, and more effectively. Let's now look at customer behavior and market dynamics, a set of external factors that can significantly shape conversion outcomes. We begin with shifting expectations. Today's customers expect personalized, value-driven interactions. Generic, one-size-fits-all pitches no longer work. The more tailored and relevant our approach, the greater the impact on conversion. Next, competition. In a crowded marketplace, faster response times and more attractive pricing from competitors can reduce our chances of closing a deal. Speed, value, and differentiation become critical levers here. Then we consider economic factors. Changes in the broader economy, such as recessions, inflation, or policy shifts, directly affect customer purchasing power and willingness to commit. And finally, seasonal fluctuations. Many industries face natural peaks and troughs. Understanding these seasonal patterns allows us to time campaigns and resource allocation strategically to maximize conversion opportunities. While we can't control these external dynamics, we can absolutely anticipate, adapt, and align our strategy to stay ahead of the curve. Let's now turn our focus to offer and product-related challenges, which directly influence a customer's decision to convert. First, we have weak value proposition. If the product doesn't clearly address customer pain points or demonstrate real impact, even the best sales pitch falls flat. A strong, relevant value proposition is the backbone of every successful conversion. Next, price sensitivity. When pricing is high without clear differentiation, customers hesitate. Competitive positioning, flexible offers, and clear articulation of value become essential to overcome this barrier. Then comes complex offerings. Complicated terms, unclear policies, or confusing structures can create uncertainty, and uncertainty stalls decisions. Simplicity and clarity drive confidence and faster conversions. And finally, frequent changes. Constant updates in pricing or packages can create confusion, not just for customers but for agents too. This leads to inconsistent messaging and weaker closing performance. To boost conversions, we must ensure our offers are clear, compelling, and confidently communicated, because a strong product narrative empowers both the agent and the customer. Let's now talk about an often underestimated but critical factor in sales performance: compliance and regulatory constraints. First, we have DNC and GDPR restrictions. These privacy regulations limit the outreach volume in outbound campaigns, shrinking the total lead pool we can work with. This means strategy, precision, and lead quality become more important than ever. Next, industry regulations. Sectors like financial services, healthcare, and telecom operate under strict compliance frameworks. These add extra steps to the sales process, often slowing down conversion timelines, but they also help maintain trust and protect the organization. And finally, consent management. When a lead withdraws consent, we are legally required to stop outreach. While this narrows the prospect base, it reinforces our commitment to ethical and compliant engagement. Compliance may feel like a limitation at first glance, but in reality, it builds credibility, trust, and long-term customer relationships. Winning within these boundaries is what sets responsible, future-ready sales teams apart. Let's now focus on measurement and targeting gaps, a common but often underestimated barrier to improving conversions. We begin with unrealistic targets. When benchmarks are set too aggressively, they can demotivate rather than inspire. Targets should stretch performance, not break confidence. Realistic, data-driven goals help sustain motivation and drive consistent improvement. Next, inconsistent reporting. When data is inaccurate or trapped in silos, it becomes difficult to get a clear picture of actual conversion performance. Without trustworthy insights, decision-making and strategy alignment suffer. And finally, lagging feedback loops. When the analysis of failed conversions comes too late, opportunities for timely course correction are lost. Quick, structured feedback loops enable teams to learn fast and adapt even faster. Closing these measurement and targeting gaps is more than an operational fix, it's about creating clarity, accountability, and agility across the entire sales funnel. As we wrap up, let's summarize a key reality of sales performance. Sustaining a high lead-to-customer rate is never a one-time achievement, it's an ongoing effort. Success depends on multiple moving parts working in harmony: stable lead quality, consistent agent skills, strong governance frameworks, reliable technology, and favorable market conditions. But even when performance is strong, external and internal pressures can chip away at results. Agent attrition, market competition, regulatory restrictions, and shifting customer expectations can all quietly erode conversion rates over time. That's why organizations must continuously monitor, adapt, and strengthen every link in the sales chain. Sustained conversion success isn't built on momentum alone, it's built on discipline, agility, and alignment. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.